just can't seem to know.
Bodegón, supermercado. Ooh, pan de bon. That's what I'm gonna put right here.
Oh, okay, guys, we're at Bodegon and we're here to get. What are we getting?
What are we getting?
What are we getting?
Oh,
No, come in.
Hi,
This is
Grandma.
my nonna. We're gonna be making
aborrajados.
that is basically a plantain, sweet plantain with like cheese, and you fry it. We're at the bakery now. We're gonna get pan de bono and
Buñuelos.
because I like the pan de bono. What do you like?
I like pan de bono.
And my mom likes the buñuelos, so
I don't know what Nona likes though.
I don't know. It's not the healthiest thing, but we worked out really hard this morning, and we haven't had breakfast, so
We usually come here once a month. It's not a big deal.
yeah. So we're gonna get some of this while we walk around and shop for the stuff that we need for the cooking. The plantains.
Those are yellow plantains.
Yellow plantains. So
They're a little sweeter. First ingredient.
first ingredient, we're getting queso.
Queso blanco. Is it blanco or no?
I don't know. What kind of cheese? What are we making? Aborrajados. Aborrajados. It's the best kind because you just put hot water and it's done.
I haven't had coffee.
Cute.
What is it?
Wait.
I have Bustelo at home. I have the same one, see? I got it at home.
No, you don't have it like those little envelopes.
I have the instant.
Yeah, but it's different.
But you want it in an envelope?
It's
I'm gonna
different.
slap the both of you.
Well, you have an ice cream
When I go
cone
home,
or
listen
or
to me.
ice
That's
cream-
like saying, oh
icing.
yeah, I have ice cream at home in a
Yeah.
cup. But someone
Stasita,
wants
listen.
a cone.
When I go home, I'm gonna put it in an envelope and smack you in the head with it.
It's different.
Okay, next time you want coffee, I'm gonna put it in like a wine glass instead of your mug.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
He doesn't even drink wine from a wine glass, but a regular glass.
Why?
Yes, mother. What, mother?
Moscato?
Wait, they have that with Moscato?
I don't know.
No, she said
Mas-
Moscato.
Oh.
More expensive.
Mas-
Moscato. Alcoholics.
Okay guys, we are here and ready to make some, what is it? Aborrajados. I can't pronounce it really well either. So my grandma's going to tell you what to do first in Spanish. Mona.
Vamos a preparar unos aborrajados que son de Colombia, se hacen en Cali,
Okay.
son son legítimamente caleños.
Okay. Entonces, ¿qué va a hacer? What are you going to do?
Sorry, good. So she's going to take
She's explaining the region where it comes from. Everybody does it different, she says. Okay.
No, no, it's fine.
Yo pelo los plátanos y los pongo a cocinar un poquito con la cáscara.
¿Con la cáscara?
Sí, lo puedo poner.
Slice the plantain down the middle to open it. She's gonna take them and boil them for a little bit in a pot of water. So then after she boils it for a little bit, you're gonna slice it down, like it's already gonna be sliced down the middle. So you're gonna, yeah, and then you're gonna stuff it, like you're gonna put cheese, and then you're gonna close it like a sandwich, and then you're going to take some flour and an egg and like egg and bread it, and after that,
Just deep fry.
you're just gonna fry it. So it's not like the healthiest
No.
thing, but it's not that bad. It's a plan. This is how they do it in Cali, Colombia.
Yes.
That's where my grandma lives. She's visiting till July.
Yes.
I just got her Bluetooth headphones,
Oh, that's hysterical.
and she's been trying to figure out how to use them.
She's good.
Yeah, she's good. ¿Te gusta el Bluetooth?
Huh?
The Bluetooth?
Yeah, I like.
Now she's just cutting them like this,
So
they're smaller? and then they're gonna, you know, put it in the water and boil it for a little bit.
Pero yo siempre lo hago así para que me queden más cositos.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, we're gonna boil it now.
Maybe unos, después de ayer, unos 10 minutos.
Like 10 minutes? 10 minutes. I've never had this before, so I'm really excited to try it. My dress is from Shein.
Yeah, aquí tengo lulo.
I'll link it down below.
Do you want lulo juice?
Yes. We're making lulo juice. Lulo is a fruit. They don't really have it here in America. I don't see it really. They have it at the Colombian restaurants. You can ask for lulo. This one Spanish restaurant we go to, they have lulo margaritas, and it's so fucking good. How would you describe lulo? I think it tastes like a white grape.
Yo creo que estaba como grabando.
What? Sí, estoy grabando.
¿El fucking también?
Did you take the fucking? Just as she was taking, did she take the fucking too? Grandma's gonna rate the guys that I think are cute. I'm gonna pull up some pics.
It's fine.
It's fine, it's fine. We still don't know.
It's nice.
She said that's nice.
Ay, Claudia, no.
Oh, wait, I'm sure this one.
Mom, we get to show the people.
No way, I would never. That's my private life. No. They will.
Somebody else. You like it?
What?
Mom, it's cute, it's not cute. It's cute. Yeah, funny.
That's so she has good taste like me. So
Oh my god.
she likes everyone that I think is cute. So we're on a
My
good.
daddy was really handsome.
Yes, my grandpa was so handsome. The next ingredient you're gonna need is flour and eggs.
Un huevo y harina.
Un huevo en una
Harina de trigo.
Harina.
Harina.
Harina. Harina. It sounds like a person's name.
Oh, like harina, but it was okay.
Yeah, harina. Harina.
Oh. Tiana says the F word again, see what she does. Say it really loud. Let's see what she says.
Fuck!
Ya, hasta el plátano baja. ¿Qué? Yo creo que me jodió, fíjate.
What the fuck? It's like in mute now for years.
Porque ella está sentada y viendo.
I don't know where the fuck it is.
Chiste.
Like she's making fun of me because I'm just sitting here doing nothing.
She's not even paying attention.
She was, and then you say the fuck word. And
Okay,
then
set up. Just set up. And we're gonna do.
Voy a agarrar con tus pasos de que se saca.
What the fuck?
¿Qué quiere, mami?
What you want? Miss Stephanie. What the fuck is that?
What is walking?
So she's just whisking the eggs.
Put in the little salt, not too much.
A little bit of salt in the eggs, whisk it together. And put some flour in the egg.
yes. You're gonna make like a.
Like a paste, kind of. She put like 4 tablespoons. So you're gonna get something to fry now, so we're gonna use this.
Burn on the
The consistency of the flour is gonna look like cake batter almost.
Yeah.
My grandma is 86.
Wednesday.
On Wednesday, her birthday.
Ay, no, me no.
What did you say?
To make
We're gonna go to Las Olas for her birthday, by the beach, and eat yummy food.
Te pones verde allí.
She's gonna have this cocktail, get her drunk.
Drunk?
To dance cumbia.
Mamá baile bailar.
How do you say
You wanna
drunk?
dance now?
¿No?
¿Qué quiere bailar?
Yo siempre bailo.
She wants to dance.
Okay.
Someday you could dance with your
We can dance at the restaurant.
with the music.
I say drunken spot.
Borracha.
No, I never.
Never. Learn.
I don't get drunk. I
When have
know.
you seen me drunk?
Never.
Exactly.
No, when you were young one time.
My sister, yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe.
My Ivan's
my
mom.
mother.
She loves to drink.
Really?
Not no more.
Aguardiente, whisky.
Like you whiskey.
Pero ya no tomo. Tiene problema. de
What
corazón.
does te gusta drink?
Sí,
What do you like?
¿Tú tomar
Something, pero no much, not too much.
What's your
Pero
favorite
¿cuál es tu
drink?
preferido? Vino, margaritas,
No, Margarita, no, por el tequila,
¿Whisky?
porque el tequila me...
scotch,
No,
vodka,
me gusta el scotch.
vodka,
No,
tequila.
no.
Aguardiente.
No, más vale aguardiente, me tomo un traguito así, pero
So like
no, yo tomo
aguardiente.
vino o lo que sea, pero no.
Sangría.
También tomo
I like
sangría. Skin.
Take off the skin.
Don't touch the...
No, I wasn't
Are these the plátanos with the moscato?
Como está en Colombia, plátano.
Is she?
Yeah.
Is that the ones at the...
Hola, Dora, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Hola. Dora. Me le prendió el teléfono.
Hola, Dora.
Hola.
Hi, Dora!
Dora.
Hola, Dora.
Ay, creí que te aprendió el teléfono.
So you're gonna cut it straight down the middle,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna put the cheese.
You don't remember how it is?
Yes.
Ahora este. Vamos a ver, a poner los orillos.
Carolita,
No,
I
más
remember all the
así,
everything.
así de ladito que le cojas así.
Sideways.
Okay, so now they're gonna look like this.
Lo voy a poner ahora, mamita, que le ponga la harina.
Those look like fire.
And then,
You frying?
yeah. And then we're gonna put them in the batter. And then fry.
Oh, he has batter too? Oh, wow. So you're soaking them in the batter then?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take it. There
Right.
you go. Then you go and dip it.
No. Take it.
The oil's not even hot.
Wait,
Wait, don't drip it.
No lo arriba porque me toca más. Ok.
It goes.
Tres generaciones.
3 generations. Yes. Okay guys, so when these are finished, I will come back to show you and do the taste test on camera. So we're gonna finish frying these up and we will be back. Okay guys, they're gonna look like this.
Así.
This is like a full one. Okay guys, this is what it's gonna look like. It's good.
Sweet and salty.
It is sweet.
Plátano, bueno.
It's a lot sweeter than I thought.
Yeah, because the plantains are sweet.
Claro. Y le tienes que echar azúcar.
Yes.
Delicious. So, thank you Nona for teaching me.
Ok, mamá.
Hopefully you enjoyed this little cooking video with me and my grandma. She's gonna be here until July, so if you want us to do another Colombian inspired dish, let me know. And of course, I have to my dad's side too and cook something Italian. So I don't really do that a lot on this channel, but I honestly haven't done a cooking video in a little bit. So
Yeah.
So-
Next time you should make pieces of
yeah, I saw a lot of you guys asking me to do one, but I posted these pizzas that my mom made on my story yesterday, and like they're so good. So maybe I'll make that for the next cooking video next week.
That's really easy.
Yeah, that's like so, like it's easier than this. So we'll do that next week. So that is it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. And follow me on all social medias. Everything will be linked down below. And have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.